Hi, my name is Francesca H. Pasqua, and I'm here to answer the given in the number 2, which is to find the minimum sum of two positive numbers given that their product is 36. So the step 1 is let the two numbers be x and y. So x times y is equals to 36. So our goal is to minimize the sum, which is x plus y. And the step 2 is we can solve for y in terms of x. So y is equals to 36 over x. And then substitute this into the sum equation, which is s is equals to x plus 36 over x. So the step 3 is to minimize s. We take the derivative of s with respect to x. So ds over dx is equals to 1 minus 36 over x squared. So the step 4 is we should set the derivative is equals to 0 to find the critical point. So bali magiging 1 minus 36 over squared is equals to 0, and then x squared is equals to 36, and then magiging x is equals to 6 na lang siya. So the next step is we need to check the second derivative para ma-confirm natin kung ano yung maximum ng x is equals to 6. So bali if x is equals to 6, magiging y is equals to 36 over 6 is equals to 6. So the minimum sum is s is equals to 6 plus 6 is equals to 12. So ang minimum sum of the two numbers is 12. And that's all. Thank you.